Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare baby corn chicken. It's a very simple recipe and the ingredients required to prepare this recipe are I have taken 6 baby corns and I have cut them into diagonally, and then if required you can slit them from the center like this. Here I have chopped few garlic cloves. I have taken near about 6 small garlic cloves, 3 green chilies, 2 onions. I have cubed them. Keep them bigger so that you get that crunchy effect. Here I have taken little salt, black pepper powder. You need lots of black pepper powder for the flavor in this recipe. Salt. Here I am going to garnish it with little chopped coriander leaves. I'm going to use little refined oil, soya sauce, last chicken. I have taken very little chicken here. The very first step that we are going to do is I'm going to first add little black pepper powder and little salt to this chicken, and then I'm going to mix and keep it aside. Now let's start cooking. I've heated 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I am going to add the garlic, chopped garlic. This will give a lovely flavor. Saute it for some time. I'm reducing the temperature. A lovely aroma of the garlic is coming now. I'm going to add the onions. I'm not going to deep fry the onions or cook it completely because I want a little crunchy effect. Saute it for another 30 seconds. Now I'm going to add the chicken pieces. I've taken 150 grams of chicken pieces. And I'll saute it for a minute. After sauteing it for 1 minute, I'll add the baby corns. The green chilies. Give it a stir. Add the soy sauce. Half a teaspoon of soya sauce. Black pepper powder, half a teaspoon. Sugar, half a teaspoon. We don't need salt right now. Just give it a quick stir. cover and cook this for another 1 minute. Okay, after 1 minute when I opened it, I saw there was a lot of water in it because while cooking the water came out from the chicken and the baby corns. So I left it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes when we opened the lid, the chicken has changed its color. And it's cooked. I didn't add any water to this recipe. If required, you can cook it for a longer time, but for me this is fine. So our baby corn chicken is now ready. I'm going to plate it. Here is our baby corn chicken ready. It's very easy and it can be prepared very quickly. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my new recipes. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.